For inductors with magnetic cores, magnetic saturation occurs when the magnetic field strength reaches a certain level, causing the magnetic flux density to level off. This significantly reduces the core's permeability, μ, leading to a sharp drop in inductance and loss of the inductor's current limiting capability. Saturation current is the rated current defined by the degree of inductance drop, typically when the inductance decreases by 20% to 30%. Using the DC bias method, we can test the inductance attenuation under different current levels to analyze the magnetic saturation characteristics of the inductor. Next, follow us to set up the DC bias source test system and complete a series of inductor magnetic saturation characteristic tests. Before setting up the instrument, please prepare the following accessories. Once the accessories are ready, we will begin connecting the 6632 impedance analyzer and 6243 DC bias source to form the test system. Connect the instrument to the power cable. Connect the 6632 impedance analyzer and 6243 DC bias source using Ethernet cables. Use the tweezers tool to set the identification number of the 6243 DC bias source. Typically, the DC bias source connected to the fixture is set to identification number 1. Use a drill tool to loosen the screw on the grounding hole, then secure the grounding cable. Next, unscrew the 4 nuts and attach the black copper plate and red copper plate. Use a handle tool to tighten them securely. Finally, connect the BNC to BNC cable between the 6632 impedance analyzer and the 6243 DC bias current source. Setup complete. Power on and proceed with the configuration.